Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya. Hello and welcome to yet another riveting episode of Dheya Masterpieces. This is your host Shreyas. Today we are going to have a conversation with our career mentor, Mr. Vasant Pattar. Hello sir, how are you doing today?
Fine. Thank you very much, SG. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So thank you very much for asking. Now that you have become a career mentor with Dheya, so can you
Yeah.
please walk us through your career journey?
Yeah. So my career journey so far. So I'm having around 23 years of industrial experience. I was a gold medalist, in fact, university topper. I won 3 gold medals,
Mm-hmm.
and I thought that winning the gold medal or being the university topper, I will be
Mm-hmm.
treated especially in the corporates. When I joined the corporates, I was under that impression.
Right.
So when I joined the corporate, I thought that there is no value for this gold medal or university topper, nothing like that,
Yes.
because corporate altogether needs a different skill sets, and what we study in engineering or any MBA or any colleges, you say, it is
True.
entirely different. What we study is different, and what we do in our life is different. There is no match, and there's a
Correct.
huge gap between that also, because there's a huge gap of the skills required. Okay.
Yes.
So in the beginning, I was working in ships also. When I joined the corporate, I joined in Pune, Century Inc. Limited, Pune. I was working as a facilitator, TQM facilitator. So we used to educate the entire factory of 1,500 employees. Okay, we have to conduct the training sessions for the people, as well as we used to call their family members also, all the staff and workers, everybody. So I got a very good exposure to that. Corporate journey is more into training and development only. So I enjoyed that journey after next 20
Uh,
years. After that, then I thought, since this is my core area, training and development and educating the people, teaching the people. So I quit my job last year. In 2019 March, I quit my job, and I
okay.
started my own corporate training and development firm, SSV Consultants. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm based in Belgaum now, Belgaum,
Mm-hmm.
Karnataka. So we are
Okay.
doing training and development for the corporates, how to improve productivity, how to change the mindset of the people. Because whatever we know, unless they change their soft skill, it comes from
True.
their mind. Nothing is possible.
Yes.
So we are more focusing on soft skill also, so that they can implement the things or company goals in a better way.
True.
So since last 2 years, I am into corporate training,
Mm-hmm.
and since I am training many colleges also, many college students also,
Okay.
because as I said earlier, there is a huge gap between academia and industries, right?
Correct.
So what we learn in colleges is of no use in corporates, and what is required in the corporates, we are not learning in the colleges. So there is a
Yes.
huge gap. So
Mm.
to address this issue, so I'm conducting many campus to corporate training programs.
Mm-hmm.
So once the students, engineering and MBA students, once they pass out from the college, what are the
Mm-hmm.
skills required so that they can be successful in the corporate?
True.
Okay, so to address
Mm.
that issue, we have started the training program for college students, especially campus to corporate now. We are doing that training session, and we have covered around 1,500 students also.
Mm-hmm.
So, and at the same time, I'm working with the industries also, training and consulting to improve
Mm-hmm.
their productivity, efficiency, to reduce defects, all those things. Okay.
Mm.
So then, since it is into my mind how to educate students also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I was searching for the right platform where I should get connected with the right platform, so that I will be in touch with the students.
Mm-hmm.
If the students are educated properly in the initial stage itself, not
Yeah.
at the after stage. Okay, so it will be beneficial for them, so that
Yes.
they can choose their career by choice, not by chance. Okay.
True.
So since I was searching for this platform, I came across there. Then
Mm-hmm.
I found it very suitable for my interest, and I enrolled for this CDF program.
Okay.
Then consultant. So I am now a mentor for Dheya now. I have completed this
Yes.
course and a mentor for Dheya.
After spending so many years in the training and development field, so and it is very unique. So, what do you think are the future scope and opportunities in this training and development field overall?
Now I think this is the much growing industry, training and development. Everybody needs some kind of counseling.
Mm.
Everybody.
True.
Maybe it is children, maybe it's the middle age career, or even in the old age also. Everybody needs this kind of training, one or the other kind of training. It's not training means only soft skill, nothing like that. Any
Yes.
kind of training, any kind of counseling, everybody needs some moral support now, because the age is so much of what do you say, so highly competitive, highly uncertain. Okay, and
Yes.
it's we call it as a UKA period, volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguity. This is the UKA age. So everybody is going through this tough period in their life. We have money, but we have a lot of stress. We have
Mm.
watches, but we don't have time to connect with the people. We have mobile connectivity, but we are not connected emotionally. It's like that. The life is like that. Okay.
Mm.
So everybody needs one or the other kind of training in future. Everybody has to have some moral support, emotional support. However
Mm.
rich he is, but poor is. In fact, poor people are more happy. I feel they are not having these kinds of burdens in their mind, and
Mm.
many people needs this kind of guidance. So training and industry is a very booming industry, and that's why I've shifted to this industry. I quit my job and ventured into training and development industry. It's a booming industry.
How do you think Dheya is changing the overall perspective or idea about career mentoring, planning, and guidance?
Okay, there. Okay. So one thing I found very good with there is that we are
Mm.
doing this. It's not just by आदमी को देख के बोल रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है. It is based on scientific psychometric tools. जैसे
Yes.
हम डेट ऑफ बर्थ के ऊपर जो कुंडली निकालता है पुजारी ने, जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ही विल टेक आउट द कुंडली ना. It is like
Yes.
that कुंडली only, but the kundli is I call it as a kundli. Okay,
Okay.
because it is based on your response to the psychometric test what we give. If the
Mm.
clear the personality will come out clearly, your interest will come out clearly, your abilities, your passion, your person, everything will come out clearly.
True.
Based on that you can choose your career properly.
Mm.
Sometimes you may be interested in something. I'm very interested in music, but it cannot
Mm.
be a career path for me because I'm not a musician. I cannot sing properly, or I cannot okay.
Mm.
Interest is one thing and ability is one thing. So what
Yes.
they is doing is it is combining everything about your interest, about your passion, about your ability,
Mm.
everything taken into consideration. Then it is giving us career opportunities. Okay,
Yes.
so in that way they is doing a wonderful job, and it is for the new India it is very much required. New India, what I,
Yes.
because the
Absolutely.
education system now it is so far it is much more depending on only mug it, write it, and get the marks. It's only marks based, it's not skill based
Correct.
education system. We are not focusing on his skill or interest. मतलब जो बोलता है ना, बंदर को स्विमिंग करने के लिए बोलने का, फिश को पेड़ चढ़ाने के लिए बोलने का. It is like that, which will
Correct.
never happen. So we
True.
have to use the strengths, and accordingly we can give career plan. Okay, even
Yes.
my son is now 10th standard. Okay,
Mm.
and he's not much interested in studies, but what he is interested much in, he wants to do some business on his
Yes.
own. And
Mm.
he's very good at cooking, and he wants to become a chef, and he wants to have his own hotel and a chain of hotels like that. He's very much passionate about that, and I'm
Okay.
supporting him. ऐसा नहीं कि just marks लेने का, आगे बढ़ने का, ऐसा नहीं है. Because I'm a gold medalist, I know I'm a university topper, which will not help me in future. It doesn't,
Yes.
education is not important, but that is not the only thing. What I say,
Yes.
should learn all our skills also. It's skill based education, and there's actually into that only. Skills, interest, passion, everything.
Yes.
And they are
Okay.
doing a wonderful job, and I'm happy to be connected with Dea.
As you know, like in like overall, the nation is changing right now in terms of education and career. It is evolving and so many things, but still there is some preconceived notion among several parents that there are only two quintessential careers: doctor and engineering. So
Yes.
yeah. So, what advice, message, or suggestion would you like to give to those parents and students about choosing the right direction?
Okay. Even I was a victim of that. Means doctor bana, engineering bana, though you are successful in life. Now it is like
Yes.
not like that. Fortunately, we have a lot of options and many success stories. What we see, most of
True.
them are college dropouts. Okay, and most of them are tech based. They are not college toppers. In fact, they are college
Correct.
dropouts basically.
Correct.
So I am pursuing that thinking only in my home with my son, or okay, and in my surrounding also.
Mm.
Education is not alone enough in our life. It is important, but it's not alone enough. Or
True.
career wise, engineering or doctor is not alone enough. You have a
Mm.
lot YouTuber example. My
Yeah.
son is also, he wants to be a YouTuber. Sitting
Okay.
at home by creating videos, creative videos, or even
Yes.
gaming also. Gaming is a very booming industry, and he's very much
Absolutely.
interested in gaming also. Okay,
Hmm.
and people are earning in crores. Ultimately, at the end of the day, what you have to earn money for your living.
Yes.
Okay,
Absolutely.
and there are so many options now. There is no limitation like doctor in engineering. I request everybody, don't focus on, they're absolute now. And
Mm.
in India, almost I think recently I was reading somewhere around 600 engineering colleges have been shut down. There is no students
Yes.
for that. And
Absolutely.
many engineering students are jobless now. They're searching for
Yes.
even simple jobs. So
True.
forget about engineering and medicine. Okay, there are a lot many options even by cooking. So by cooking or even having tea shop, you can make it
Yeah.
a brand, chai point or chai wala, something like that. They're
Absolutely.
making a brand out of tea shop. हमको लगता था
Yes.
चाय मतलब एक टपरी वाला है करके. It's not like that. It is a brand for that. एक
Yeah.
समोसा वाला है. He's making brand out of samosa making. Okay.
Correct.
Like dosa houses, simple things. They are making so many brands out of silly things what we pursue. So
True.
I request everybody, forget about those conventional education system. Focus more on skill based and basically children's interest rather. Children's
Correct.
interest, passion, and where they want to pursue. Okay? There are a lot many
Yes.
options to earn money. Sitting at
Absolutely.
home also, I would say sitting at home also you can earn crores of rupees.
I really enjoyed this conversation with you. Thank you very much for taking your valuable and precious time and sharing your insights with us. And I thank you all for watching this episode today. I'm sure you must have found it insightful, inspirational, and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.